Here we go. Okay, we're recording again. Man, I hate having to turn off my fan to record, or else it messes with the video.
We would have made one giant video, but these idiots died.
No, we would have made one giant video, but I mean, it just takes up. I don't have YouTube Infinite or whatever. Leroy Jenkins. What is it? What is it? It's a horde. Roar. This random zombie just ran into a wall. He did some squats. Zombie did a squat.
Hey, pop a squat.
Smoker? Seriously? Have fun with that smoker. Merchant, have fun with the smoker.
Run away. You guys have no idea how far ahead I am.
Run away!
Alright, let's not do that.
Ow, I just got slapped by something.
Boomer.
Must heal.
What?
Healing up.
Alright.
Hey, merchant. 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 Hi.
What? If I have enough, you dropped me once. You're gonna try and drop me again?
Yep.
That felt so wrong.
Oh wait, guys. Isn't this the mill part where we can like escape? Let's try not to mess with any witches. No! Get off me, zombies! Stupid zombies! Guys, let's try and do this without startling the witches.
This game is really unrealistic. I doubt that zombies will take you and slow your movement.
Your mom would slow my movement.
No, she would.
Oh my god, witchy! Witchy!
Grenades on you.
Witch!
Okay, dude, I'm like surrounded by 3 witches right now.
Don't mess with them. I want to get the achievement. I can't get up here.
Come back! Come back, kill the charger. I'm coming. Come back. I'm coming. Come back.
Ew.
You guys have no idea how far ahead I am.
Run away, Stabber, run away.
Ah! Smoker, no! Dang it!
Thank you so much, Merchant.
I don't want to die. Thank you, Toto. I love you.
What? I don't want to be loved.
Too bad. But,
Bye, Stabber.
tank.
Careful, this should be
Save me.
I can hear Nick screaming through Stabber's echo.
Oh, I hate you so much. Come on, dude. I have 30 health left.
Shine the light on the witch.
No!
Weird.
Stop shooting me.
Run.
Run away. That music just got loud because the witch is right here. The witch is right here.
Away from me. Zombies, I don't want to give you a hug.
What?
Stop shooting
What?
me. You need some food?
I'm trying to shoot these zombies that are on you.
Dang.
Where? Where? No! No, witchy! Witchy came after someone. Boomer Biles! No, help me! 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 Help! 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 Help!
You have been hit by a tank. Oh.
Help me! Ah! Tank! Tank! Save me! Save me! Save me! Save me! Save me! Save me!
Jake.
You guys let me die.
Jake, get over here. Jake.
Guys, I've got painkillers and a Molotov beside me.
Dude, Merchant is beast, man.
She is aggroing that tank.
Man, Merchant is beast.
Merchant!
Save me.
Over at my body, there's a Molotov and pain pills if you need them.
Awesome. Look at that,
Thank
please.
you. Ouchie. It's painful. Oh.
Merchant!
Over here, help me.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get those. I'm gonna go steal your pain pills.
Stabber! Take them, my brother.
Thank you.
Will you get your crotch out of my face, please? Thank you.
My what out your what?
You had your crotch over Coach's face.
I can put my cross for him.
Merchant, as soon as Merchant ran over me, Rochelle was all like, "I'ma miss you, Coach."
I can put it over your face if I want to. So leave me alone.
Did you guys even hear me? Yay! Save me! No.
Don't
As
take
soon
that.
as Merchant ran over me, Rochelle was like, "I'm gonna miss you, coach." No, no, put down the walls off. Put down the walls off.
Charger! Ouchie! No!
Oh,
Mine.
Ew. Where's my gun? Where's my gun? Ew, 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 ew. It's so disgusting looking.
Come on! Oh
I
crap!
had
This
to
got
take
back.
Toga.
Like, dude, this place is cursed. Whenever I get jumped, someone else gets jumped, and then that person who helps the person get jumped gets jumped.
Boomer.
Merchant!
There's
Yeah!
the boomer gun.
Boomer.
I don't I need to have it. Yay! Oh, dude, I'm black and white. I'm black. Ow!
Stop trying to
I'll
help.
shoot you in the back. Dude, stop! Seriously! I have 2 health.
Have fun. Why is it so hilarious? Stop shooting Merchant.
Dude,
Bet.
I wasn't shooting Merchant.
Sure you weren't.
Boomer. Straight ahead.
There's a zombie right there behind you, you idiot.
Click it.
Dude, I try to protect you guys, and you guys kill me. You guys are just assholes.
I didn't kill you. I didn't do anything. Soda was ruining it.
Hi. Smack.
Horrible.
That's the way.
No, no, jockey, 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 jockey.
Save him, Merchant. Merchant, why? Why did you save him?
Why?
Yeah.
More or less, he's still part of the team.
Save me, save me, save me, save me, save me, save me, save us, save us.
Oh, you're an idiot. Save us.
I was going to save you.
Destroyed me.
No, my mic.
Oh, man, this is terrible.
Okay, we all failed.
I was going to save you, Jake.
Okay, I'm sorry, Jenkins.
Let's stop my screen.
Jake, I was going to save you. And then,
Never.
yes, because he was at 2 health. And no one had a med kit. No one had a med kit. What else would you have done?
He could have stayed longer.
No, he couldn't have.
Yeah, he could have been shark bait for later.
Shark bait! Yum!
Shark bait, hoo-ha-ha.
I knew you were gonna do that, Stabber. I just knew you were.
Yeah. Shark bait, hoo-ha-ha.
That was my impression of Stabber laughing. Yeah, Boomer Bob. Aw, I wanted that Boomer Bob, Stabber.
Too damn bad.
Oh my god, pipe bomb. Off me, you
Drive
zombies.
me in the river,
Merchant,
build a bridge.
come on. Come on, Merchant, come on. Come on. Just go, just go. Just go. Sorry, there was a zombie behind you. I didn't mean to shoot you, Merchant. There was a zombie. Oh my god, Chucky! Chucky, Chucky, Chucky! I mean, Charger, 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 Charger.
Wow, dude, you just got raped by that
That
witch.
witch loves you, Jake.
I'm sorry, Soda. Thank you. Soda, Sonic.
That witch loves you, Jake. That witch loved you. It really did. A true love that could never be, Jake. A true love that could never be.
You're right, because that witch would have raped him.
Ha! Literally. Hey, Stabber, I found your weapon.
What do you mean?
I found your M16.
I hate the M16. Oh my god.
Have fun with her, Merchant. No! 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 Bad! Bad! Bad!
You're the one who startled her.
Save me!
Fine, I'm gonna
Why
come and
am I
help you
always
guys.
having to save your ass?
Dude, I think she's hitting on you. She's saving you a lot.
I know she is hitting on me.
Dude, Merchant, before I had my mic, they thought I was a girl, and Demon thought I was hitting on him. Because I had to keep saving him. He thought I was hitting on him, because I kept saving him.
Yeah, and I called Stabber gay. I said get. I called Stabber
They
gay.
actually thought I was a girl somehow. I don't know how, but they did.
They puke on you. They puke on you.
No, if you puke on me, I swear to God, I will kill you.
Puncher!
Roar!
So much. Why? Why?
Oh crap, guys, I've got to make it to the next video.